In this video, we are going to see the step-by-step installation for Anaconda Navigator. And Anaconda is a distribution of the Python and R programming language for scientific computing that aims to simply package management and deployment. The distribution includes data science packages suitable for Windows, Linux, and macOS also. So in your search command, you can simply write Anaconda installation. And then you can see this link, the official site www.anaconda.com. You can click here, and next you can download it from here, and this will redirect you to the which graphic you want to install for 64-bit graphic or 32-bit installer. I am showing it for Windows. You can do it for your other operating systems such as macOS or Linux also. So here I am taking this installer, and it is downloading now, and it will take some time. Here you can see that the download is completed, and next we have to run this particular application. So you can see that the setup is installing, and here you can see you have to press next. In the license agreement you have to press I agree. You can select the installation type. I'm selecting it for just me, and then we have to select a path for installation. So now here I have given the path of the folder. Next, now you can see the advanced option also. You can add Anaconda 3 to the path variable, which you can do later on also. If you do that, then it's not recommended, because in this the other software will get previously installed, set up the path of Python only, and you have to reinstall again and then install. So it is recommended that you register Anaconda as default Python, and then you have to simply click on install. As the installation is complete, you have to search here. You can see here there is Anaconda prompt also, and there is Anaconda Navigator also. So first I will let you know what Navigator actually is, and let me open the prompt also. So this is the Anaconda prompt, and right now we have only a base file, that is, and you can create any other directory also with the name and with the latest Python version. So this is the use of Anaconda, that you can run several other versions of Python also in a particular system. So that we will do later on. Firstly, we will see that how Anaconda Navigator works. So this is how the Anaconda Navigator gets open, and you can see here there are several notebooks, that is CMD, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Qt Console, Spider, all are the platforms in which you can run several Python code. So it imports all the packages for scientific computing and other data analytics also. Here you can see in environments. Right now we have only one environment, base root, and if you want to create any environment, you can click here on the create. You can write the name of the environment, and you can select here that which Python version you want. There is 3.8, 3.7, 3.6, 3.5 and 2.7 also. So you can create an environment from here also, and you can create an environment from here. Anaconda prompt navigator also. So for here you have to simply write, firstly let's check that how many environments are there. So you have to simply write this command, conda list. So here you can see that this shows all the list which are there in this particular setup, and the list of the documents which are included. Next, if you want to create a particular new environment, that how can you do that? You have to simply write conda create for naming, and you can give the name. For example, I'm giving the name as test. And if you do not mention any version of Python, then by default it will select a version by itself only, or else you can write Python and then give the version whichever you want to give. For example, I'm giving the version 2.7. So it will create a version like that. Or else if you don't want to give a version, you just simply execute this particular command. Now if you want to activate in this environment, so what you have to do is activate test. So now you can see the directory has been changed. Now the environment is changed here. Now you're working on the test environment. Here also you can see that in environment there is a new environment test created, and the initial environment was simply the root environment. Next, if you want to install any particular package, then you can write the simple command pip install and the name of package. So here you can see that requirement already satisfied. That means NumPy is already there in the library of the site packages. So this is how we can install any particular package with the help of Anaconda prompt. Next, you can see here there is learn. Now here also there are several tutorials which can be read: Python tutorial, Python references, Anaconda packages, pandas, NumPy documentation, SciPy, Matplotlib. All documentation are there so that you can read it from here also. In the community, if you have any query while writing or solving any kind of problem, then you can search from the community and learn according to your need and solve your problem. As it is open source, so it is easily available with the community, you can solve your problem. So this is all about Anaconda Navigator and installation of Anaconda. Next we will know about the Jupyter Notebook.